So my buddy here, Dominic, is showing me his beautiful Bel Air. What year?
1966.
1966. Look at this, guys. Oh, Shaggy, you trying to trip me, Shags? All right. Wow. Original paint, you think, or no?
I mean, some of this, I'm pretty sure it's original because some of this is chipping off.
Look at that.
I try to keep it in the best condition.
May I? Look at that.
Seat's a little torn up.
That's all right. Oh, yeah, it has that original smell to it, guys. Look at this. Can you pop the hood? Oh, you got to pull it out, though.
Yeah. I mean, I can.
All right, let's see what the hood looks like. Let's see what's under the hood. Oh, wow, look at that.
Need to get an air filter put on there.
Wow.
I have one, but it's a little.
All right, so you work on this vehicle yourself? You and your dad?
My father really is the one that takes charge, and I try to learn as much as possible.
You're learning good taste. All right, this doesn't look like it was original equipment there, Dom. That doesn't look. Yeah.
No, the speakers and the radio were replaced.
You have somebody in here, like a body in here, or can we see the trunk?
I'll show you. There's not a body in there this week, so.
There's not a body in it this week. Oh, this is beautiful, man. Look at that. Oh. A little fishing gear.
All my junk.
Look at. See, guys, this is how a car used to be made. Look at all the space, right?
Goodness.
This is the original wheel.
Original wheel. All right, check that out.
Oh, wow, look at that. That thing will kill you if you
And you
crash.
said you got this off Marketplace.
Yep.
Wow. I love it. Love it. Look at the emblem. Original emblem, guys. Yeah, you can go ahead and slam that. Look at that. Dominic, one day when we become better friends, you're going to have to let me drive it.
Okay.
All right. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Do you like it, Shags?
I think it's an awesome car.
All right. My new best friend in the whole world, Dominic. You got a cool car, buddy.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
And then the best dressed man here is Shaggy D. All right, now I'm just going to get a shot of you driving off into the sunset. Listen to that.
Wow.
Listen to that.
That's how you make an impression.
That is beautiful. No backup camera, though. That's beautiful, guys.
Wow.
This is an average guy tested retro. Yep.
There you go.
Now roll the music.